Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Apollo.io CRM enrichment and list building, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Apollo.io for CRM enrichment and list building, begin by accessing the Apollo.io web. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button located on the homepage. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Once you complete the registration form, check your email for a verification link and click on it to confirm your account. After verifying your email, log into your Apollo.io account. On your dashboard, look for the Integrations tab in the side menu. Click on the CRM Integrations option to see the list of available integrations. Select your CRM from the list provided. Follow the specific instructions for your chosen CRM to complete the integration process. You may need to provide API keys or login credentials to connect Apollo.io to your CRM. Once the integration is complete, navigate to the Lists section in your Apollo.io dashboard. Click on Create New List to start building your contact list. Use the search filters to narrow down your target audience based on criteria like industry, company size, or location. After applying the filters, review the list of contacts generated by Apollo.io. Select the contacts you want to add to your list and click Add to List. After finalizing your selections, click Save List to store your contact list. You can export this list to your CRM or download it in various formats for your marketing efforts. Make sure to regularly update your lists to keep them current and relevant. Explore additional features such as email enrichment and prospecting tools to enhance your outreach strategy. Monitor the performance of your lists and adjust your criteria as needed to improve targeting. With these steps completed, you are now ready to leverage Apollo.io for effective CRM enrichment and list building. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.